What's up, viewers and subscribers? 5 persons were shot, one fatally in George Plain, Westmoreland on Friday night, people. The deceased has been identified as Rojay Mowatt, otherwise called Boy Boy, late of Burn Savannah in the parish, viewers and subscribers. Mowatt is believed to have been in his early 20s. Report from the police are that the men were among a group of persons at a shop, people, when two men armed with handguns disembarked from a blue Toyota Corolla Axio motor car and fired shot at the crowd. While the shooting subsided, Mowatt was found suffering from gunshot wounds to his abdomen, and the other injured man received gunshot wounds to their legs, foot, and hips, people. You understand what I mean? They were all rushed to the hospital by relatives, where Mowatt was pronounced dead and the other four men were admitted in stable condition, viewers. You understand? No motive have been established for the shooting, so people. So January right now, we just a beg for peace in the place, viewers and subscribers, because you know life are the most precious gift. But if anything, viewers and subscribers, I will update you on all of the latest. So you know it's Flava Media Entertainment TV in the building. I'm out.